go into your computer, go to C drive. Let's create a folder called SQL backup. Right click, add empty space, and go to new folder and put SQL backup. Okay, now the SQL backup function is inside SQL where you need to log in first. Let's log into your SQL. Username admin, password is also admin. Go to File, Backup Database, and when this your first time to do backup, you just need to click on the three dot button, go to C drive, and go to SQL backup, and click OK. Click OK, then you start to backup. The next time when you want to do backup, it's become much more simpler. Just go to File, Backup Database, click OK. That's all. So what happened is, inside your C drive SQL backup folder, the system will actually put in the name of the company together with the date for your backup file, so you do not require to rename your backup file. And in this example, we do 2 types of backup on the same day, so you have the second one with a -2. After doing this, then only you should copy this whole folder or send this folder to a external hard disk or pen drive and so on. Remember, try not to directly backup to a pen drive because pen drive is an external storage, should not have processing happen. So backup to your hard disk and copy and paste to your pen drive, or paste to a cloud, Google Drive, okay, and so on. So this is how you do backup. Remember, try to do a daily backup because when things happen, the only way for your consultant or dealer to save you is through the backup file. And to do a restore, what we need to do is, at the login screen, click on the three dot button next to the company name, and you can click the restore button and click on the three dot button to search for your backup file. So basically your backup file is over here. So let's restore. Remember, put in the company name as your database name, and in this time put your date. Why? It's because in SQL restore, the system will not replace the previous database. You have 2 identical same database, so when you log in, you have the same company, you might not know which one is which. So that's why by putting in the date, you can distinguish which one is the earliest, which one is the latest. So what you need to do is you can right click the old database and drop database link. Remember, always only left one company over the selections for the same company, else you might key in today transaction in the first one, then tomorrow transaction in the second one. And one good thing about SQL is our licensing is based on database. Once a company or database have been activated, you can actually back it up, bring to your house, install SQL and restore back, and you can always continue your work from your house and tomorrow back up and put back to your office. Your house one will be a license copy for that database or company. So this is how you do a backup and restore. And remember, please do a daily restore, or a daily backup. It's because imagine today is the last day of GST submission and suddenly your database is corrupted. So you need to do a restore. When is your previous restore? Yesterday. Then you only need to change for 1 day transaction. What if you have not backup for 2 weeks, 1 month? Then there will not be enough time for you to chase back all the transaction. So please do so.